So today I would like to teach you how to use our visual search tool. Not sure what's in your china cabinet? Let's go take a look. All you need to do is go to our website, then in the search bar, hit the little red camera. It'll give you a list of what we want to pick from. Then we're gonna hit on the next page, take a photo, or you can choose a photo if you already have one in your camera roll that'll work with the requirements. Let's go walk that through.
Da 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 da.
As we can see, a little bit of detective work. This is Fountain by Lennox. If yours didn't show up, please feel free to contact us using the not finding my pattern at the little bottom or with this contact form.